What if I told you that there are only four exercises you need to get and stay in shape, build some muscle, lose some fat, and feel awesome doing it? Stay tuned. The first of the four moves is some sort of pushing motion, so like a push up, get in your push up position and press. The second exercise movement is some sort of rowing movement. Like get something heavy and bend over and roll up, pulling it toward yourself. The third movement is the squat. So take a shoulder width stance and bend your knees to squat down. The fourth move is the hip hinge. So keep your back flat, don't arch it, and bending your hips to lower yourself and